Be strong and courageous, for the Lord your God goes with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you. Deuteronomy 31 verses 16. And that is written on the front of this. This was what was given to us at SHINEKA Gray's funeral on the 5th of March 2017. Today is a very sad day for me. I have covered many sad stories on this channel since it has started, but today this one is the story that had the most negative impact on me emotionally, psychologically, for a number of reasons. One, I just saw my daughter in SHINEKA the first time I saw her picture, and when the news broke that they found her body and she was dead, that was devastating. Added to that, I kind of got to know her guardian, and we have remained close since then. Today is SHINEKA's birthday. She was born July the 25th, 2001, and she would have died on February the 2nd, 2017. Added to the sadness is that today is also the birthday of her guardian, that person who had her from she was a baby. Her aunt, that is affectionately called Chin. Chin was the family member that I communicated with during the sad time. She was very welcoming, very polite, very accommodating, and she's just a lovely person inside out. You understand? And today is her birthday as well. They share the same birthday, and I know today will be horrible for her. It will be a bittersweet moment, but mostly bitter because she and SHINEKA normally do things together on their birthday. So today will be very hard for her. So I just want to take time out again and say happy birthday, Chin. Just hold it together, try to be strong. I know today will be a rough day. And SHINEKA, I know that you are somewhere beautiful, looking down at your family members, smiling. It is just unfortunate that those two numbskulls decided to take you away from your family. But God knows best, and you are in a better place, away from all the pain, away from all the stresses of this life. But it is just sad that you did not get to see your 16th birthday. So happy birthday, baby girl. And Chin, just go and hold it together, mama. You understand what I say? You're a real soldier, a real general. Big up yourself. You see me, I say manners and respect every time. SHINEKA, happy birthday, baby girl. Chin, I love you from my heart. I'm hot.
Yeah, that's tough.
Say that you look up on the camera.
Big up my jogging in the Mark Street. And you can't put a foot round a Clark Street, Dark Street. Mama.
We'll meet again one day, see you again someday. We'll meet again one day. All the time we spend, we miss you, my friend. We'll meet again one day, see you again someday. We'll meet again One day, all the time we spend, we miss you, my friend. R.I.P. Return if possible, please. Them take your life and left your whole family grief. We made them take your life, God know me feel, can't believe. One day, we know we are gonna see your face, still in our heart, no, that can't get your place. Memories of all squad girls, one holy faith. Rest in peace, SHINEKA Gray, we'll meet again. One day, see you again, someday.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.